Hi guys, this is Cece from Earthsea and you. Today we'll be talking about sea moss, how to turn it into gel, also the benefits of sea moss. So if you're not taking it now, we'll be discussing why you should be taking it. So let's get started. I almost forget to tell you this, where we get our sea moss, which is very important. We get our sea moss from Jamaica. Jamaica. We have the wild crafted gold and also we have the wild crafted purple. This is where we get our sea moss. And then you might be wondering, why should I drink or have or eat sea moss? Sea moss has 92 minerals. 92 minerals. That minerals that is in sea moss help the immune system also. It's also good for your hair, it's good for your nail and also your skin. So this is one reason why I think you should always make sure that you take your sea moss before the flu season. So guys, we have two types of sea moss here. We have the purple and also we have the golden sea moss, which is gold, I should say, right here. But today I choose to use the purple, which they're both the same in nutrients. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash it a couple of times. So you can just use a cold water, not warm water. I'm pulling them apart like this and checking to make sure that there's no, shell. Sometimes you'll find little shell, like here's one. This is a shell that stuck to the sea moss. So make sure to take these little particles out. Here's another one right there. Just pull it out like that. Check this also, and I think I'm all good to go. Okay. The next step I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in a container here. You can see this is 2 ounce and you have enough to make roughly 2 bottles, 2 16-ounce bottles. Make sure I give it another wash. Just want to be sure that I can see if there's any. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pour a little alkaline water on the sea moss. I'm going to just pour enough to cover all this area. Guys, after draining the water off, I'm going to put the moss in the blender. Okay, and the next step is to use the alkaline water. I'm going to fill it up to cover the moss. So I'm filling the blender to cover the moss. It's all covered, and I'm going to blend it until it's become very smooth. have two 16 ounces bottle, and I'm going to pour the liquid in the bottles. So let's go. Roughly, the liquid is roughly 40 ounces. So I'm going to pour it out here. This one. Okay, and here. We still have enough to make almost another bottle. So make sure that it's covered properly. I'm not gonna put this in a bottle because I'm gonna just add some strawberry to it and make a drink. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator right now to get it chilled, and then it will turn into a gel. So we're almost done with the sea moss. It's all chilled. It was in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and just want to show you what it looks like. That's what a finish. When it's finished, that's how it looks. It's a gel. All you have to do is take like a tablespoonful every day. You can mix it with your smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you don't care to make the moss, we also have it online. And we have also a discount for the month of September, which is a 10% discount. So you can go online at earthseaandyou.com and you can purchase the moss or any of our products and get 10% off. The code is MOSS10, and this is only for the month of September. Again, MOSS10. Bye.